Why sugar is sweet? This question appeared in my mind when I was in the ninth standard, and now I want to reveal this mystery. It's because they contain hydroxyl groups with a particular orientation that can interact with the taste receptor using an electrostatic attraction known as hydrogen bonding. As soon as it happens, a chain of molecular events sends nerve signals to the brain, which interprets the signals and gives us the perception of sweetness. And that's why so is sweet. And at last, I'll say, be curious, be busy. And if you have any question in your mind of nature's infinite mysteries, you can comment me in the comment section, and I will try to solve it or answer it. Thank you.